So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and stop your iPhone from updating. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe your iPhone is currently in an update or it's downloading the software update, and you might be trying to figure out some options that you have. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is if your iPhone is actually updating, so if it's stuck on that Apple logo and it's updating there, there's pretty much nothing you can do, and there's nothing I would recommend you to do either. Just let your iPhone update, because if you start clicking buttons and plugging it in and trying to do some weird stuff, it's probably going to break your iPhone, and you'd rather have an updated iPhone than losing all your data. Now, if your iPhone is currently in the middle of downloading an update, so let's say you just, accidentally clicked on downloading an update, in your general settings inside of software update, and it's currently downloading and you want it to stop, the easiest way to go ahead and stop this is, for one, going inside of your automatic update panel right at the very top and disabling these automatic updates. So completely just disable them, but then go ahead and restart your phone. So hold down the buttons that you normally would to restart your device, and go ahead and slide the power right off, and go ahead and give it a few seconds, and all you're going to want to do there is power back on, and the majority of the time, that's probably all you're going to have to do to fix this problem. That's pretty much all I've had to do, and most of the time that's probably going to end up fixing it, and that's all I'd recommend doing it for you. Now, if that's still not working, the other thing you can try doing is, if it's still downloading an update and you want it to stop, just go ahead and put your phone on airplane mode. So put your phone on airplane mode basically, give it a few moments, and usually by that time the update will stop downloading. And then what you can do there is just go and use your phone. You can take it off airplane mode, and then if you get a little update again that either says download an update, or restart your phone to download the update or install the update, just go and keep delaying the update. And what you're going to want to do there is make your way back into your settings. You want to go into general, you want to click iPhone storage, which is right here, and all you're going to want to do is delete that downloaded update. So come into here, delete that downloaded update, and as long as you don't go through and manually download the update again, you should be good to go, and that will prevent your iPhone from updating. So that's pretty much the main way to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. The like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.